The Clever Sparrow and the Pink Earthworm. One day in the forest, a clever sparrow was sitting on a tree branch, spreading its wings and enjoying the sunlight. Suddenly, its sharp eyes noticed something moving on the ground below, a pink earthworm slowly emerging from the soil. The sparrow straightened its long beak and happily exclaimed, "Ah, breakfast is ready." But the pink earthworm, startled, quickly spoke up, "Wait. Listen to me first. Do you know how important I am to this forest?" The sparrow was surprised. "You, a tiny earthworm. How could you be important to the forest?" The pink earthworm smiled and replied, "We earthworms dig soft tunnels in the soil, allowing air and water to pass through easily. Without us, the soil would become hard and barren, making it difficult for trees and plants to grow." The sparrow tilted its head in curiosity. "So, you're like an engineer of the earth." "Exactly," the pink earthworm said proudly. "We enhance soil fertility, help decompose leaves and organic matter, and create a perfect environment for crops to grow." The sparrow nodded thoughtfully. "Oh, so that's why farmers call you nature's fertilizer machines." The pink earthworm beamed with pride. "Yes, we are a vital part of nature. We even provide food for other underground creatures and help balance the nutrients in the soil. Without us, the earth would become lifeless and dry." The clever sparrow enjoyed this new information, but it wasn't going to stay quiet. "Your story is fascinating, but do you know how important we birds are to the forest?" "Oh, I'd love to learn something new," the earthworm responded excitedly. The sparrow lifted its beak and said proudly, "We birds help spread tree seeds from one place to another, allowing new trees to grow and keeping the forest green." "Really? But how?" the earthworm asked, curious. The sparrow explained, "When we eat fruits, their seeds stick to our beaks or bodies. As we fly to different places, these seeds fall to the ground and start growing into new plants." "Wow! So, you're like farmers too," the earthworm said with admiration. The sparrow laughed. "Yes, we help trees grow, but we also have another important job." "And what is that?" The sparrow became serious. "We control the population of insects. Some insects damage trees, and if we don't eat them, they could destroy the forest." The pink earthworm nodded. "So that means we are both essential to nature's balance. If I don't make the soil fertile, trees will become weak, and if you don't control the insects, trees will be in danger." The sparrow cheerfully replied, "Exactly. And this is called natural balance. Every creature has a role. If any of us disappears, the forest's life could be disrupted." At that moment, the sparrow decided that it would never eat the pink earthworm. Instead, they would work together to keep the forest green and thriving. The earthworm was happy to have made a new friend who would protect it. Moral of the story: every living being has a purpose in nature. We must understand and protect this beautiful balance of life.